Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of the Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Chandrika Ram. He was born on 2nd of July 1970 in Bihar. He did his schooling from GH School and then for higher education he went to Patna University where he completed his master's degree. After obtaining the master's degree, he also obtained a law degree from the Patna University and became the first Dalit lawyer in that particular region where he was born. He started his practice in Patna High Court. He was leading figure in the Dalit movement in Bihar. He served as a General Secretary of the Bihar Provincial Depressed Class League and was also the President of the same. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from Bihar on Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues like he spoke on the time limit for reservation and was of opinion that the 10 years time limit will not be sufficient for the upliftment of the society. He was in favor of having reservation for backward class and also spoke as to what is the definition of backward class. So we will just see what he spoke on this particular issue. 30th of November 1948, Chandrika Ram, quote, members are perhaps aware of the fact that the question of reservation for depressed class and scheduled class was discussed by the advisory committee, but it was lost by a single vote. Otherwise, there would have been legally binding provisions for reservations in service for Harijans. But as it is, I find that people are wondering why the expression backward class has been put in this article and why it is that backward class has not been properly defined. According to census report, the backward class constitutes a major section of the population of province. So these were his views. He was a strong supporter that there has to be a reservation for the backward classes. We are thankful for his contribution in making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.